Welcome everyone to HirePrep AI. It is artificial intelligence interview assistant app. What it does, whenever you are about to apply to a big companies like Google, Microsoft, Adobe, or we can also increase the companies that is our future scope. What it does, you just have to select your company. Suppose I have to go to the Microsoft. I can either upload my own resume and it will like calculate its ATS code and whether I'm even eligible for Microsoft or not. And then if I am, then we can start our interview itself. If I don't have my resume in PDF format, I can also type out my resume, like I can my name, or I just have to copy paste from my Word document. Or if we don't have any of these and we just have to go for Microsoft general mode, I can just go for general interview, that how they ask questions and what field, how the HR interviews goes on as the time goes on. Like if they're gonna ask me about my hobbies, or they're gonna ask me about which projects I have worked on without any resume. This is just a general practice mode. So these three are modes. You can choose either one of them, whichever is suitable for you, and go with it. So, how it works? It starts with first you uploading your own resume. Let's start from here, and I'm uploading my resume. And now it is analyzing whether I'm Google Fit or not, whether my resume is Google Fit or not. Let's see. And my resume passed as of now. So I can just start taking interview now. Here you can see, here is my camera. It is properly oriented, and here
Implement
is
a
the
least
question.
recently used LRU cache. Discuss the data structures you would use and ensure both get and put operations achieve optimal time complexity.
As you can see, it is just asking me the actual questions that original HR would ask me. Currently, I've limited it just to the 5 questions because I have to record this video. Else, it is totally off the bounds. It can ask you the questions till 40 minutes or 30 minutes, or you can adjust it. There is also adjustment option, like because no one knows how long HR interview really goes on. So I'll have to answer it, and if I don't know the answer, suppose I don't know the answer of this question, submit answer. And interviewer is thinking, okay, let's see. Even though I know.
Given a
Let's
singly
see.
linked list, reverse it iteratively. Discuss its time and space complexity.
So this is another question. I have to answer it. After giving successful interview, these are my performance. This tells me where I lack, what are my weaknesses, hiring decision, no hire. I won't get hired after this. Let's see something else. Now let's see what would have happened if I applied for any other job with my Google resume. Let's see. And guess what? It says needs optimization. It says my resume has critical mistakes such as this, missing keywords. I should. I have also an option to ignore the risk and start the session as it is. Like I can just say it and it just comes back up, and it is taking its time to generate the question.
Given the absence of a resume summary, let's begin with a fundamental architectural discussion. Describe a
Look.
complex software system you've designed or significantly contributed to. Detail its high-level architecture, primary components, and how you address challenges related to scalability and reliability.
So that's how it works. After all, we have to give this nice HR answers. There are other modes such as paste to resume. You can just paste your resume here if you don't have in PDF. And there's general mode where I have no resume, just start chatting and it just.
Begin. Since I have no prior information about you, please introduce yourself. Tell me about your technical background, what kinds of systems you've worked on, and what technologies you're most proficient with. Be specific.
My name is Swastik Prakash and I'm a software engineer. I have worked on distributed systems, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Now let's see what it asks me.
Tell me about the most challenging technical project you've completed. Describe its overall architecture, including the key components, their responsibilities, and how they communicate. Beyond that, what were the most significant trade-offs you made during the design and implementation, and how did those choices impact the system's scalability, performance, and reliability?
I have worked on Chrome extensions named at Should I have implemented machine learning in them. to identify fake reviews.